I just drove up maybe half a mile, and I definitely feel a little bit safer up here. It's not quite as close to the water, but it has definitely taken over Bear Creek here, just outside of Morrison on the way up to Kitteridge. And they're saying that Morrison will probably be flooded by this evening if this gets up one more foot, and it is still raining hard. I have never ever seen rapids like that before.